If you are watching this video, you're probably wondering how to change the filter on a GE Smart Whole House Filtration System. When I wanted to change mine out, there was simply not much information out there to aid me in learning how to do so. I couldn't find any videos, but there were instructions on the replacement filter and on the GE website. In my opinion, these instructions did not do much for visual learners. Changing the filter takes absolutely zero tools. First, make sure you have the correct replacement filter. Then go to your Smart HQ app in the Google Play or Apple Store. You will use the information on the side of your system to connect your unit to the app. The app is very intuitive and you can monitor the status of the unit from anywhere. Please make sure you update the app so that you'll have the most up-to-date version of the software related to your system. Once you have updated your app, if needed, you will then change the mode in the app to water flow off, so there will be no water flow going through your filter. You will then release the water pressure by pressing the red button located at the top of your system. Make sure you have a bucket or something to catch the water that will be released while pressing this button. You will then pull up on the white handle in your system and pull into the clear plastic sump releases. Please keep a hand at the bottom of the clear plastic sump or it will drop off and water will go everywhere. Twist and remove your old filter. Clean out the plastic sump and then put your new filter in and reattach the clear plastic sump. Go back to your app and change the mode to filtered, and you're ready to start having filtered water running throughout your entire home. Make sure you press the filter reset button at the front of your unit after changing out your filter. I hope that this video has helped someone out, as I wish there was one on the web when I was trying to change out mine. Thank you for watching.